Northeast bands, Kelly, so it continues to produce snow in through here. We do see some traffic, some commerce on some of these elevated road surfaces in through here. But think about this. This is Interstate 45. This is visible to my south, but now it is not. And that is exactly what you're talking about, Kelly. South is Hobby, north is
I haven't seen any type of spin outs or anything like that. But these
Y'all, actually it's 8:59 a.m. I haven't set that time yet. We're still in the daylight saving time stuff, you know, all that mess. So it's 8:59 right now. Let's see what outside look like. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but we got a little dusting. Nothing major. Nothing major at all. See? Not yet. I'm gonna take this trash in the house. Well, back up to the street.
What were you doing?
It is now 10:40 a.m. Oh, there go that old air conditioning unit. It's coming. And then what? You gonna play? I'm not playing in nothing. We didn't get much of nothing, y'all. It is what it is. It's a lot, but not enough.